This is a new medium in an area that he's never worked in, never dreamt of, never thought about doing a car, but here we are making a one of a kind. I'm Nicole Fonseca, an automotive designer with over 2 decades of experience. I'm taking you on a journey as I restore and design an amazing car. This is her driving style. Hey you guys, I'm standing out Zadig and Voltaire today, and I cannot wait because Humberto Cruz is in there and he's gonna make some really cool art for me today. Let's go. I just love the her driving style. That is so cool. I mean, if that's not a one of a kind, I'm gonna be styling. Humberto as an artist is honestly somebody I kind of stumbled upon, but his art just really spoke to me. So finding him, but just organically, how we kind of met and also just instantly kind of hit it off. I just mean as artists, we really respected each other. So I think he's really exciting. I think Humberto's art is uplifting. It's colorful. It puts a smile on your face. And to be honest, that's what I achieved to do as a designer. So I feel like our aesthetic, our vibes really fit each other. And I love that we collaborated on a new medium for him. This is a new medium in an area that he's never worked in, never dreamt of, never thought about doing a car, but here we are making a one of a kind. I really want to hear your feedback and what you think. So I built this thing for you. But the first idea is that we could do the roof either white and then you could do like black characters, or it could be black with like the coral color as the pattern. Or the third option would be to do something very colorful and maybe we paint it white or a base, like a neutral, and that would be more colorful. Okay. So those are our 3 options, but the thing that we should discuss is the application, because that's really important. Okay. The first option would be you hand paint it yourself. And you physically would use the paint and
like
paint.
Special paint.
Yes, yeah. We'll mix like automotive colors and all your colors. But it's actually, so that's a good question. That's something we have to ask the painter. But yes, we would provide the paint for you in the colors. I toy between doing your characters or potentially doing your version of a floral.
Okay. Because
your stuff is so iconic and I love that. But I think there is something about lowrider culture that has like the flowers and all the colors, and I think I would love to challenge you and say what would be your version of a floral. Like don't do it typical.
Okay, and do you think like for example a flower just like in my style, like you know how I do like crazy characters?
This is
like
why I trust you.
Yeah?
This is all you.
Okay.
I want you to make it however you see it, because if you were painting it, you have to be able to create it.
And how long would it take?
That's, I don't know, how long do you think it will take you?
Depends on me, right?
Yeah. I mean, honestly, I think it should take you around 2 or 3 days. But these are all things eventually. I want you to meet Eric because he's the painter that's custom making this color for me. So eventually I'm gonna meet with him and then pick out exactly the color.